Okay, welcome back. We're going on to the next version of the steps exercise. This will be listed as 5B, and it's going to be very similar to the last one, except this time what we're going to do is have no limit on the steps we're taking. So we're going until we build up a moderate to strong air hunger till we get to the point where we have to breathe. Now, the first couple recovery breaths may be a little bit stronger, but remember, what you want to do is when you reintroduce breathing, you want to do it in a way where you're coming back to nasal breathing in and nasal breathing out. It may be a little more forceful in those first 2 to 3 breaths. We want to bring it back down to normal breathing. Now, again, like the first version of the steps exercise, we are going to take a full rest. We're not going to continue walking, and I will demonstrate this right now. So when we turn our camera this way. So I'm going to start again with taking a breath in and out through my nose. And out. I'm going to pinch my nose. And I'm just going to start walking. And I'm counting the steps on how far I go. Now remember, during this, your lips are sealed. Your tongue is on the roof of your mouth. And you're going to keep going until you feel that strong urge to breathe. And I'm just going to stop here. And then I come back into my normal breathing pattern. Again, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Ideally you would be standing. And you're going to give yourself a rest for 30 to 60 seconds before you go on to the next repetition. Now, with this, you're going to want to do this, I'd say around 6 repetitions, 2 to 3 times a day if you can do it. So that's going to be a total of 12 to 18 reps. This is a very, very powerful exercise. We'll talk a little bit more about contraindications and such in a later section. But if you are someone who gets a little anxious when it comes to having long breath holds, this probably is an exercise you might want to put off, and I would start with the 10 steps. So that's what we got here. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.